Recently, a powerful bomb cyclone hit the United States, and at least 200 million people got affected from this, and at least 34 people have died in United States, and more than 3,000 flights have cancelled. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is bomb cyclone. Friends, a meteorological word, bombogenesis refers as an atmospheric pressure drop of at least 24 millibars within 24 hours of period, which refers as a bomb cyclone, and that indicate that a storm is rapidly intensifying, which might have more disastrous impact than a normal storm. A bomb cyclone is combination of rapidly decline pressure and winter cold, and if the pressure will be low, then the bomb cyclone will be more stronger and more dangerous. Friends, bomb cyclone mostly hit the coastal areas, and it brings a strong wind and air, as well as the ice and the snow. Friends, now let's talk the main differences between the hurricane and bomb cyclone. First, each hurricane mostly produce from the late spring to early fall, and while the bomb cyclone form from the late fall to early spring. Second, hurricane mostly produce in tropical water, while bomb cyclone produces in the northwest Pacific and northwest Atlantic. Third, cold air is always weaken the hurricane, while the cold air is most important ingredient part of the bomb cyclone. Friends, now let's talk about the characteristic of the bomb cyclone. Then first is its speed is from the 120 kilometer per hour to 155 kilometer per hour. Second, the bomb cyclone mostly come in the winter time, but sometimes it also occurs in the summer as well. And third, it affect mostly four region. First, Northwest Pacific, Southwest Pacific, North Atlantic, and South Atlantic. Friends, in my conclusion, as today we are listening the news about the bomb cyclone, the typhoons in the South China Sea, Japan, Vietnam, and the ASEAN region, everything whatever is happening today are the main cause due to the climate change, and sometime the people are more responsible for this. But today, as we are talking about the bomb cyclone, then we cannot handle this thing now, but we can pray, like millions of the people are dying, are affecting from this, and lots of people are dying, and lots of people are affecting from the internet, from the electricity in United States and Canada and other region. So we can pray that the suffered people will be strong, and the situation will be normal, and every people who have suffered will start their life very soon. Thank you.